here we are with another comparison video between these two hot rods right here, guys. So, today it is the real versus the fake Hot Wheels. Yes, this has been continuing for a long time now. So, okay guys, talking about the cars first, the introductions. Of course, this is the 1932 Ford, guys. Okay, both of them are the 1932 Ford, but one is the Hot Wheel, the other one's fake. So yeah guys, today we're gonna compare these two cars and let's just know which one is better and which one's not. So yeah guys, this is the fake Hot Wheel and this is the actual Hot Wheel, guys, just to clear everything out. And before we get on to the details part and all, I just want to say that if you guys are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down there and also press the bell icon real quick. Okay, so talking about the previous video which I uploaded, that was the BMW Z8, guys. If you really love Kinsmart collections, check them out. And I also did the unboxing, that was really new, and it had that special convertible feature. I really like that. Check it out, it'll be up on the screen right here. Okay, and if you want to check out more of my the comparison videos, check it out. It'll be in the HW playlist in my channel, of course. So yeah guys, let's just move on to these cars. Let's see which one's better. And one more thing guys, the code for the Hot Wheels right here is DTX84 if you just want to Google it and check out this car. So yeah guys, let's just get on with it. It's DCS right here, let's go. Look at the details of the Hot Wheels right here, guys. So first, yes, it has a pretty nice logo right here. I mean, the early times with that logo, I really don't know what's the logo right here. Well, yeah, it at least got the Hot Wheel logo, and this is how it looks at the bottom. Yes, you got the Hot Wheels there, and 32 Ford written there, made in Malaysia. And the front is pretty damn nice, guys. It has nice chrome grills, and you can see the exposed V8 engine. Has a pretty good interior too, but it still lacks some of the detailings at the back, even though it's a Hot Wheel. So yeah guys, that's the Hot Wheels for you. Open wheels are pretty nice, and this is the fake Hot Wheel, guys. So yeah, looking at the fake Hot Wheel, it doesn't lack much of the details. Like, it has the same exposed engine. The grill is kind of different. Like, yeah, it is kind of different. It has a pretty nice interior and a pretty wide window, but yeah, some carve outs, like the door carve outs, isn't really so good. So yeah, this is how it looks at the back, guys, and this tells that it's a fake one. So yeah guys, now let's just move on for the next part, guys. And also, I totally forgot to mention about the wheels, guys. Yes, the wheels in this is pretty different and pretty nice. So yeah guys, now let's go for the next one. Right, now it is the quality check. So first, looking at the fake Hot Wheels, yes, pretty flimsy parts, and the wheels are really not so good. I mean, it's really wobbly, and yeah, you don't feel that right. The metal quality is also not so good. This is so lightweight, and yeah, the rest of it, I think it's pretty good at track. Well, yeah guys, next one is the Hot Wheels. Now this is a pure metal. I mean, not exactly, but it's a really good quality metal, guys, compared to that one. And the plastic is also not so bad. It's really, really nice. And even the wheels feel right. Actually, it's pretty smooth. You guys can see that, right? Yeah, so smooth, so good too. So yeah guys, that's the quality check. And of course, in the other videos I've also mentioned about the quality, and there's not much to talk about. So let's just move on to the other one. That is the weight, guys. Here we go. So looking at the weight, guys, now over here first we have the Hot Wheels. Yes, it is showing 30 grams, guys. As we move on to the next one, that is the fake Hot Wheels, you got the weight here, it's just 18 grams. So that's the weight difference between these two cars, guys. That's the fake Hot Wheel, which is the 18 grams, and the real one, which is actually 30. That's a lot heavier. So now moving on, we've got a clear look on the weight of both of these cars right here. Now let's talk about its missing parts. Okay, so first, yeah, going with the Hot Wheels. So yeah, it has the early times, the Hot Wheels logo right here, and at the bottom, of course, the bottom you have the Hot Wheels logo and made in Malaysia and all those stuff with mail written on it. Well, yeah, and the wheels are pretty damn cool too. Well, there's nothing much to talk about this in terms of missing parts, that is. So yeah, you have the exposed engine. Well, the interior's there, that is for sure. Well, as we look at the fake one, Yes, it does miss the Hot Wheels logo right here, but I can't consider that as a part, but still. And yeah, look at the bottom, you don't have the Hot Wheels logo, so obviously it's not a Hot Wheel. And yeah, that's pretty much it in this. Rather than that, it really has everything. Even it has a wider window to see the interior. I hope you guys can see that right. Yeah, that interior right there. So yeah, it doesn't really miss much of the parts, guys. So let's just move on to the next one. And now we're going for the last part, guys. That is the overall ups and downs of both of these cars right here. So yes, first let's talk about the Hot Wheels. Yes, the Hot Wheels are pretty good quality cars right here. Like the metal quality and the build, everything is pretty much nice. Even the detailings also, it's really nice, guys, except for some of them actually. So yeah, leaving that aside, let's just talk about the fake Hot Wheels. Actually, this one did pretty well, guys. It had the proper interior, it had the proper engine, and almost everything. The wheels were also really damn nice, but the quality of the metal again ain't so good, so that's why it couldn't like compete so well. And also at the bottom, yes, you can see it's made in China, so it's not that good. And also, yes, there's a few flaws, like for example, it's too light in weight and the wheels are flimsy and all. So yeah, that's the defaults of this. But there's one useful thing, guys, which I think Hot Wheels should also recognize: putting screws instead of rivets. Yes, you can just unscrew this car and, you know, do a paint job on this, or, you know, customize it yourself, like changing the wheels and stuff, which will be pretty easier instead of putting rivets, which are really hard to drill and, you know, change the wheels or customize it yourself. So I recommend Hot Wheels to put screws instead of rivets. So yeah, guys, that's the thing, and that's the overall ups and downs, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give me a like, and if you didn't, also, you know what to do. So okay, guys, that's the end of it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and also if you want me to start doing the giveaways, just comment it below. Just comment Hot Wheels giveaways in the comment box, guys, and definitely I'll check it out in my next one, guys, like the next video, obviously. So stay tuned till then. Bye bye, enjoy your weekend, bye. Oh, and just before saying goodbye, guys, do follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you want to see all of these cars. Stay tuned. Thanks for checking out. Peace. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.